morning. Welcome back to our EVS class. Do you remember what do you mean by EVS? Say me children. EVS means Environmental Studies. That's good. You all remember that. Very good. Today we are dealing with the EVS subject and lesson number 3 of day 1. Okay? Lesson number 3. Care for our body. In our previous class, we have learned already about the body parts. Do you remember? Yes or no? Yes, you have learned already about the body parts. Now today, we are going to learn about care for our body. And before going into the topic, we have a small friend in our class. You want to meet him? Let's see. Hello. See, a small friend is there. Yes, say hello all of you. Hello. Okay. Now his name is Gopi. See, he is saying hello to all of you. Yes? Okay. Hello. Hello Gopi, how are you? Fine, thank you, he is saying. Oh, very good. Now, Gopi is going to show you some things here which keep our body clean. You want to see the things? Gopi, will you show us? Yes. He wants to show you some things which keep our body clean. See here, care for our body. Already we have learned about the body parts in our previous lesson. Now we have different parts of our body, but we have to take care of them. Care of our body for our body means what we have to take care of our body, or how we have to look after our body. Understood? Now in this lesson, before Gopi shows the other things, I want to say you the objectives of this lesson. Okay, Gopi will stay here. Okay. Now the objectives of this lesson, what we are going to learn. Objectives means what we are going to learn in this lesson are activities to keep my body clean. What are the activities we do? Every day we do lots of activities. Okay. So what are the activities we are doing to keep our body clean? Next one, activities to keep my body healthy. What are the activities we are doing for our body to keep our body healthy? Understood? And the third one, activities to keep my body fit and strong. Okay. And what are the activities we are doing to keep our body fit and strong? Okay children, we are going to learn. Now first, what Gopi told us, he wants to show some things which we use to keep our body clean. Okay, you will identify the things. Okay, now see this. Lots of things he brought. Now what is this? Yes, shampoo. Where do you find this? You will find the shampoo in the bathroom. Very nice. And what is this? What is this? Powder. Very good. Talcum powder. Yes? Yes. We find this also in the dressing room. We find the powder in the dressing room. What is this? Vaseline. Yes. Yes. This also we find in the dressing room. And what is this? Brush and the tongue cleaner. Where you will find this? Near the wash basin or in the bathroom. Yes, we brush our teeth with this and we clean the tongue with the tongue cleaner. Yes, are you brushing your teeth every day? Very good, you are good children. Next, what is this? Gopi brought so many things. What is this? Very nice, toothpaste. This is a toothpaste. Yes or no? Now, what you will do with the toothpaste? You will just see, this is the toothpaste. Yes, what you will do with this? You will apply it on the toothbrush and brush your teeth. Yes or no? You will apply it on the toothbrush and you will brush your teeth neatly. Yes or no? So, toothpaste. Where do you find this? This is also in the bathroom we find this. Yes. Now what is this? A soap. And this is a face wash. Yes. You will have no soap and the face wash. Yes. This also we find in our bathroom. We find in the bathroom. Yes. See. These are the things which we are using every day. For what activities we are doing also we will learn now. Okay. And what is this? Hair oil. Yes. Mommy will apply oil on your hair. Yes or no? So this is hair oil. Almond hair oil. Yes. You will apply or not? Yes. That's good to apply the hair oil. Next. After applying oil, what you will do? You will comb your hair. Yes or no? You will comb your hair. Okay, comb. See, so many things Gopi brought for us to show. Yes? Next one. Now, what is this? Nail cutter. Yes, you will trim your nails. You will trim your nails like this. Yes or no? You will trim your nails. Weekly you will trim your nails. Okay. So, trimming your nails. If you don't trim your nails, lot of dust accumulate in the nails. Yes or no? And lot of germs when we eat, it will go into our body. And we get fever, cough, all these things. So, trimming nails is very important. So, nail cutter. What is this? In your house also all these things will be there. Yes or no? So, this is nail cutter. Yes? Okay. And what is this? This is a cream. You find these things powder, or coconut oil or almond oil, comb. These all you will find in your dressing room. Yes? This is a cream. And this is a perfume. When you come in, when you are going out, you apply it and go. Yes or no? Perfume. Yes? Perfume. And after getting ready, where you will see your face? In the mirror. Yes? In the washroom also, in the bathroom also we have the mirror. Near the wash basin we have the mirror. Yes? Mirror. Yes? And daddy also will have something in the washroom. What is this? Razor. Daddy will shave. Yes or no? Razor. So these all things we find in the washroom or bathroom. Yes? Now, why we are keeping all these things in our bathroom? To keep our body clean. See in your textbook. You have EVS textbook, no? You have EVS textbook. So, see, care for our body. Okay, care for our body. Now, do you bath every day? Every day are you bathing? Yes, very good. You are bathing every day. Why we bath every day? How many times you are bathing? How many times you are bathing? Bathing twice a day. Morning and evening. Twice means 2 times. Yes? Yes. Every day we have to bath. Then only we don't get the bad smell or sweat smell and all. Understood? Why we bath? To get the pleasing for the body and to get body active every time. We need the shower every time. Okay. So, the bathing a part of cleanliness? See? Yes, it is a part of our cleanliness. First, we have to bath. We have to clean our body. Understood? Now, see, I need to take a bath every day. See, the boy is saying, I need to take a bath every day. Okay. Now, what things to keep body neat and clean? What things, what activities we have to do? Now, these are the activities we have to do. Now, see, one by one we are going to learn. Activities to keep my body clean. Now, what are the activities? Every day morning you will get up. What you will do first? You will take your brush and paste and tongue cleaner, and what you will do? You will start brushing. Yes? You will start brushing the teeth. Yes or no? You will start brushing the teeth. How you will brush? side, down side, upper, down movement, and side to side, and again like this, again upside. Yes, are you cleaning like that? Mummy will teach you. Yes or no? So after that, you will gargle your mouth and then you will use the tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. So first, what activity you will do? What is the first activity to keep body clean in that? First, you will brush your teeth. What is the first activity you will do? Brushing. Yes or no? So brushing is the first activity you do. What is the next activity? After brushing, what you will do? After brushing, I will take a bath. Yes? I will take a bath. I will take a shower. Yes or no? So many children like the shower bath. Yes or no? Yes. Now see, to keep healthy and happy, we should take care of our body. So what is the first activity this boy is doing? To keep my body clean, I brush my teeth 2 times a day. And he is saying, I will brush my teeth 2 times a day. 2 times. What? Morning we are brushing. Again when we have to do? Again, after from morning we eat lots of things from the mouth. Yes or no? So, lots of dust particles or waste material, everything will be stuck in between the teeth. Okay, then germs will accumulate in between the teeth and we get the tooth cavity. Cavities we get, lots of chocolates, your small children, chocolates, too many sugar products, all you will eat. Yes, so you have to clean your teeth or brush your teeth every day twice, means 2 times. Understood? That means morning after get up in and before going to bed. When you have to do again? Before going to bed. Before sleeping, you have to brush your teeth and then you have to sleep. Understood? So, I brush my teeth twice a day, 2 times every day. See, this boy is brushing teeth very nicely. You are also doing, yes? If you are doing 1 time, start doing 2 times. Before sleeping also, you brush your teeth and then you sleep. Okay? Next, what activity he is doing? He is taking a bath every day. See how nicely he is using the soap. He is using the soap and started bathing, taking bathing. See, to clean the hands, legs, body, neck, all parts he is cleaning. Yes, Mummy will teach you now how to bath. So, with the soap, he is bathing. Yes, and to keep the body clean. So, what is the second activity he did? He did bathing. First, brushing. Next, bathing. Next, what activity he is doing? I wear neat and clean clothes. After that, what you will do? After bathing, directly you will wear the clothes? No, you will use the towel. You will use the towel to wipe your body. To wipe your body, you will use the towel. Yes or no? You use the towel to wipe your body. The towel also should be very, very neat. And after that, after wiping the body, you will wear your clothes. You will wear your clothes. And how the clothes should be? They should not be dirty. They should be neatly washed, ironed, and then you have to wear that clothes. Okay, neat and clean clothes. See, this boy is looking into the mirror and dressing up. Yes or no? So, I wear neat and clean clothes. So, I wear neat and clean clothes. And next, what activity he is doing? He is combing his hair. Understood? He is combing the hair. What he is doing? He is applying the oil and combing the hair. Apply the hair oil. Hair oil Mummy will apply and comb your hair nicely. Yes or no? Then only you will look neat and clean. Okay. And then what you will do? And see these all things are keeping our body clean. Yes or no? Are you following all these things? Yes, you are good children, you are following that. And see here, what this boy is doing. See in your textbook, you can see there. He is trimming his nails. What he is doing? He is trimming his nails with the nail cutter regularly. Understood? I trim my nails regularly. Regularly means 10 days. After 10 days, after 1 week, every Sunday. He will check the nails. Mummy will check the nails and she will trim the nails. Some children will say, no. Yes? But it won't pain. Mummy will take nicely. You should trim your nails. Otherwise, lots of germs will accumulate in the nails. And while eating, the germs also will go into the stomach. and then you will get the stomach pain, fever, cough, all these things. Yes or no? Nowadays in the home we are staying, what we are doing? We are washing hands often. Yes or no? With soap and water. Yes? Why? To kill the germs. Yes or no? So like that only, trimming nails regularly is also very, very important. And see here, important point also is given. Nails grow faster in summer. Now this is summer season, and nails will grow very fast in summer season than in winter season. Okay. So fingernails grow. These are the fingers I told in the body parts lesson. Parts of our body. Fingers, the hand fingers are called as fingers, and the leg fingers are called as toes. And the fingers, nails grow very faster than toe fingers, toenails. Understood? So this is the important point. Okay, what is that? Nails grow faster in summer season than in winter. Okay, and then what is the last activity he is doing? I wash my hands before and after eating any time. Any food before and after eating, he will wash his hands. I wash my hands before and after eating my food. See, you are also washing now. Before eating, you have to wash and eat, and after finishing eating also, you have to wash and eat. Yes or no? Wash neatly. Yes or no? With soap and water. So, all these activities keep our body clean. What are the activities to keep the body clean? Understood all of you? So, what we have learned in this pages today, page number 20 and 21. In page 20 and 21, what are the things we learned? We learned about the objectives of this lesson. What are the objectives? Means what we are going to learn. Okay, and what are the things we are learning in this lesson? What are the activities or how to keep our body clean, and what are the activities to keep our body healthy, and what are the activities to keep our body fit. Okay, but today what we learned about first point. What is that? How to keep our body clean. Understood? So what are the activities? First, what is the activity? Early morning when you get up, you will brush your teeth first and go for toilet, and then what you have to do? You have to take bath, and then you have to wipe your body with the towel, and then you have to wear clean and neat iron clothes, and then what you have to do? You have to comb your hair or apply oil and comb your hair. And what activity you have to do? Regularly, not every day, regularly. That means every Sunday or every 10 days after, you have to check your nails and trim them. Okay, and then what is the last activity? Anything when you are eating, you have to wash before eating, and after finishing eating also you should wash your hands. Understood, children, all of you? Okay, and one other important point also I told. What is that? Nails grow in which season faster? Yes, that's correct, in summer season. So you all understood. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.